The Insta360 X5 is poised to revolutionize the world of 360-degree cameras. With its anticipated release on April 22, 2025, this next-generation device promises to deliver groundbreaking features that cater to both professional content creators and casual users alike. Revolutionary imaging capabilities. 1. Enhanced sensor for superior image quality. The Insta360 X5 is expected to feature a 1/1.28 sensor, a significant upgrade from its predecessor. This larger sensor size allows for better light capture, resulting in improved low-light performance, dynamic range, and overall image clarity. Users can anticipate capturing stunning 8K 360 degrees videos and high-resolution 72MP photos, ensuring every detail is preserved. Amazon. Advanced video resolutions and frame rates. The X5 is rumored to support multiple video resolutions and frame rates to suit various shooting scenarios. 8K 7680 by 3840 at 30/25/24 fps. 5.7K plus 5760 by 2880 at 30/25/24 fps. 5.7K 5760 by 2880 at 60/50/30/25/24 fps. 4K 3840 by 1920 at 100/60/50/30/25/24 fps. These options provide flexibility for creators to choose the best settings for their specific needs. Superior audio and design enhancements. 1. Wind-canceling microphone system. Addressing previous concerns about audio quality, the Insta360 X5 is expected to incorporate a new wind-canceling microphone system. This feature aims to deliver clearer sound recordings, even in challenging environments. Notebook check. 2. Ergonomic and durable design. The X5 boasts a redesigned body with a tessellated grip pattern, enhancing both aesthetics and handling. This design not only improves the camera's appearance, but also provides a more secure grip during use. Notebook check. Intelligent features for seamless shooting. 1. AI-powered editing tools. The Insta360 X5 is anticipated to come equipped with AI-powered editing features, including automatic horizon leveling, object tracking, and slow-motion editing. These tools simplify the post-production process, allowing users to create professional-quality content with ease. Retinapix.com. 2. Versatile shooting modes. The camera is expected to offer various shooting modes to cater to different creative needs. Video, for standard recordings. Active HDR, to capture scenes with high dynamic range. Time-lapse, for capturing changes over time. Time shift, for dynamic speed ramping effects. Bullet time, for dramatic slow-motion shots. Loop recording, for continuous recording. Pre-recording, to capture moments before hitting the record button. These modes provide users with the flexibility to experiment and innovate in their content creation. Extended battery life and durability. 1. Long-lasting battery. The Insta360 X5 is designed with a 2,290 mAh battery, ensuring extended shooting sessions without frequent recharging. This feature is particularly beneficial for creators on the go. Retinapix.com. 2. Waterproof capabilities. With a waterproof rating of up to 33 feet, 10 meters, the X5 is built to withstand various environmental conditions, making it ideal for underwater adventures and extreme sports. Retinapix.com. Connectivity and compatibility. 1. GPS integration. The inclusion of GPS tracking is a highly anticipated feature, allowing users to geotag their footage. This addition is particularly useful for travel bloggers and outdoor enthusiasts who wish to document their journeys accurately. Imaging resource. 2. Accessory ecosystem. Insta360 is known for its extensive range of accessories, and the X5 is expected to be compatible with existing tools like the invisible selfie stick, bullet time handles, and various mounts. This compatibility ensures users can enhance their shooting experience without investing in new accessories. Retinapix.com. Anticipated release and market impact. The Insta360 X5 is slated for release on April 22, 2025, as hinted by official teasers and industry insiders. This launch is expected to set new standards in the 360-degree camera market, offering a blend of advanced features and user-friendly design. Who should consider the Insta360 X5? The Insta360 X5 is tailored for a diverse range of users. Content creators, seeking high-quality, immersive footage. Travel enthusiasts, desiring to document adventures with detailed visuals and geotagging. Sports and action videographers, requiring durable equipment with superior stabilization and audio. Professional filmmakers, looking for versatile shooting modes and AI-powered editing tools. Conclusion: the Insta360 X5 is set to redefine the 360-degree camera landscape with its array of innovative features, including enhanced imaging capabilities, superior audio, intelligent editing tools, and robust design. Whether you're a seasoned professional or an aspiring creator, the X5 promises to elevate your content to new heights.